What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our Goat FX contouring our first guideline to his head shape. He usually gets low fades, so we're making our guideline a little bit higher since he wants a mid fade. You always want to make sure you're stretching the skin with your opposite hand. The guideline near the C cup was dipping a little bit too much, so I grabbed my trimmers to raise it a little bit. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can move on to a full guard all the way open and debulk the top. Now that we're done debulking the top, we can move on to our foil shaver. But before we remove the stubble, we're going to use our shave stick so he doesn't bump up. Now we're going to switch over to our foil shaver and remove the stubble. Make sure you use your opposite hand to stretch the skin. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can move on to the no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Make sure you follow the same shape as your first guideline. Using your lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. After the half guard, I like to use the no guard all the way open just to detail. Now we're moving on to our two guard all the way open, creating our fourth guideline. This guideline is going to help us connect to the lower guards using the 1.5 guard. Now that the line is soft enough with the 2 guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes after using the 1.5 guard, there's still a faint line, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using your lever will help you remove that dark spot. Switching over to the 3 guard all the way open, this guard is going to help us blend into the bulk and the 4 guard on top. We're switching over to our previous guards, detailing and debulking. Detailing with the 1 guard all the way open is very critical to fading. Now that we're done with the sides, we can move on to the back guideline. We started off with our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. Then we're going to move on to the 1 guard all the way open. We are near the occipital bone, so we are going to make our guidelines a little bit thicker. Using your lever midway and all the way closed is going to help you erase that initial guideline. Now we're using the 1 guard and its lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now we're using the half guard to erase the line completely. Now we're switching over to our 2 guard all the way open, creating our 4th guideline. This guideline is going to help us get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now we're switching over to our 1.5 guard to erase the line completely. Now we're using our 3 guard all the way open to help us blend into the top bulk. We switched over to our 1 guard all the way open just so we could detail. Always make sure you add extra detail in the back area due to the occipital bone and high density of hair follicles. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'll definitely reply. Moving on to the hairline, we're starting off in the middle and working our way to the right side. Also, when we start lining up his C-cup, we're going to start off at the bottom arch and work our way to the top arch, meeting them at the middle. Now we're connecting the left side to the right, slowly but surely making sure the hair feeds into the clipper. Now we're moving on to the Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, and we're gonna make them as crispy as possible.